Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our channel. You can get this file in PDF by clicking on the link in the description below.
Question number 1. Classification of bacteria on the basis of morphology. Question number 2. Bacterial cell components. Question number 3. Briefly explain types of culture media. Types of culture techniques. Question number 4. Write a note on following: gram staining, acid-fast staining. Question number 5. Briefly explain structure of virus and component of virus. Question number 6. Write a note on ICTV classification, Baltimore classification. Question number 7. Habitat of fungi. Question number 8. Classify molds and write detail on it. Question number 9. Turbidity test for water microbiology. Question number 10. Write methods to control microorganisms in air. Question number 11. Write different cycles of soil. Question number 12. Elaborate fermentation diagrammatically. Question number 13. Write different types of antibodies, immunoglobulins. Question number 14. Write different types of antisers. Question number 15. Write different types of immunity. Question number 16. Write methods to control microorganism in water. Question number 17. Dry heat sterilization. Question number 18. Sterilization by radiation. Question number 19. Sterilization by mechanical method. Question number 20. Bonus questions from past NTS papers. Define streptococci with examples. Briefly explain the cell wall of gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Write a short note on pathogenicity. Briefly explain the immune system with diagram. What are the important requirements, features of an ideal vaccine? What is the difference between non-specific antisera and specific antisera antitoxins? Explain types of immunity. Explain flaming and hot air oven methods of dry heat sterilization. Describe different shapes of virus.
टेस्ट की PDF फाइल हासिल करने के लिए नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक पर क्लिक करें। हमारी वीडियो को लाइक करें। अगर चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी करें ताकि हम आपके लिए नई वीडियो लेकर हाजिर होते रहें। शुक्रिया।